Thank you, Chairman. Welcome, Attorney General. First, let me say I appreciate your staff reaching out to members as far as what our interested subject is, because many times we'll ask questions of a testifier and they'll have to get back to us. So I appreciate you respecting the legislative body enough to come prepared for a question. So thank you.
Thank you.
Last year, I asked a question related to the Highmark UPMC issue in southwestern Pennsylvania. That has not been resolved. Clearly, from a budget standpoint, that's going to have some impact on health care costs for state employees, particularly in southwestern Pennsylvania, but also for family budgets of many of our constituents. I am not asking you for a silver bullet today. I don't think there is one, or we would have already shot that one. But what I am asking is to see if there is a possibility that you would see a scenario where your involvement would be needed if there was a scenario in this process where you think the Attorney General's office would be needed to intercede.
As you know, with UPMC and Highmark, they are charitable institutions, nonprofit institutions, of which we have oversight over. We also have a healthcare division, of which we also have oversight over. We are very aware of the situation out in Western Pennsylvania. I travel there all the time. I see the commercials on television.
Sure.
I talk to people out there. It is something that is definitely affecting the West in a negative way. We are making sure that we keep our eye on the situation. We know what our authority is, and I will tell you that we will use our resources appropriately if need be. But at this time, I can't let you know whether we have any investigation going or whether we will be filing any actions in the near future.
Representative Christiana and Representative Franco have introduced legislation in the House, and Representative Christiana and I have made several visits to employers, employer organizations, and I think that they want to make sure that one, if a solution is not going to be found soon, then let them know so that they can plan. What they don't want to see happen from a business perspective is for something to take place in the third quarter of the year, because decisions need to be made quickly here in April. So from your perspective, and if your staff has, if you have staff assigned to this, if there's anything that can be done that you see a scenario arising, it needs to be done quickly.
Thank you.
Okay?
I understand.
Thank you very much.